The recipe to cultivate a successful life. The recipe to cultivate a successful life incorporates the following 5 ingredients. This information is brought to you by AD Wisdom, the Wisdom Weaver. 1. Determination. Determination is the fuel that keeps you going when faced with challenges. It's the unwavering commitment to your goals, even when the journey gets tough. 2. Motivation. Motivation is the spark that ignites your passion and drives you to take action. It's the inner fire that pushes you to keep moving forward, even in the face of obstacles. 3. Hard work. Hard work is the foundation of success. It's the effort you put in and day out, consistently striving to improve and achieve your goals. 4. Positive mindset. A positive mindset is a powerful tool that shapes your outlook on life. It allows you to see opportunities where others see obstacles and keeps you focused on solutions rather than problems. 5. Positive attitude. A positive attitude is like a magnet that attracts success and abundance into your life. It's the belief that you can overcome any challenge and achieve your dreams. When you combine the following ingredients, determination, motivation, hard work, a positive mindset, and a positive attitude, you create a powerful recipe for success that can propel you towards your goals and aspirations. Stay committed, stay motivated, and keep cultivating a positive outlook on life. The world is yours for the taking. If you like what you have just listened, please consider subscribing to the AD Wisdom, the Wisdom Weaver channel, as well as sharing with your friends and family who might also benefit.